Counter Height Cabinets. Introducing Baron Equipment's Counter Height Cabinets. Your solution for industrial storage. Our counter height cabinets are designed to be a versatile asset for storage needs in industrial settings. Featuring a 3-point locking system, padlock compatibility, and optional keyless entry, your valuable tools and equipment will be safely stored and easily accessible. Made with durable, 12-gauge steel, this product is life-proof and able to withstand the daily wear and tear of industrial settings. It also comes with a 99-year warranty because we are confident these cabinets will last for your needs. Our industrial cabinets come in different sizes ranging from 24 to 48 inches in height and a maximum weight capacity of 2,200 pounds. These counter height cabinets are ideal for keeping items secure and organized in manufacturing plants, workshops, maintenance facilities, and laboratories. Upgrade your workspace with our counter height cabinets. Interested in this product? Get yours today at baroneq.com.